In primetime news this evening, DPP alarmed by troubling attitude on sexual issues.
Government says rural bus service aimed at support and not competition.
And later, JLP and PNP issue joint statement amid political tension. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Love.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. And coming up later in the newscast, there is business news, but Jermaine Brown has a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thank you, Janella. Well, at least one group is opposing Supreme Ventures' desire to purchase Cayman Spark. We'll tell you who a bit later on.
Well then, looking forward to hear about that.
Definitely.
And guess what? Romaine Robinson is here with a preview of what's to come later on in the weather report.
Thanks, Anthony. Now, with the weaker wind pattern that we are experiencing across the Caribbean, we do have a greater chance of moisture convergence, cloudy conditions in the afternoon with some shower activity, especially across eastern sections of the island. I'll break it down in the weather report and forecast.
Thank you so much, Romaine. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, Anthony, what's the feedback question?
What suggestions would you give to politicians to improve the ways they convey their message to voters?
You can share those comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us. Or rather, we say now post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.